where my cubes are. Where are my cubes?
Here they are.
Oh. Now let me show you my collection.
This is the
Collection, guys. We have 11 cubes. I'm going to show them all to you and explain how good they are. So, the first up, we have with the 2x2. The 2x2 is a really small cube and really easy. And we have the QY version, which is pretty nice turning. And this cube is just amazing. I just love it.
This 3x3. We have two 3x3s. We already made 2 or 3 rolls. He made one and I made one.
As Aadya made one tutorial on solving how to solve one color, and I showed you guys in parts how to solve the whole cube. Next up, we have the 4x4, of course. The 4x4 is also pretty huge and nice turning. This cube is amazing and things. We can make patterns and things and solve one color. And it has sticker pluses. It doesn't have any like centers, so we have to create one making like a square, and then put like a lines right here, and then we would have corners here. We can place them, and we have one color in.
Next step is 5x5,
which is even bigger. We have a center. We can make a plus. Well, the problem is that we need the corners over there, so we'll have to have a bigger plus, I think, because I've never actually solved this cube. Let's...
Next is the Pyraminx.
The Pyraminx is a triangle cube. It is also called the Rubiks triangle. And we only have 4 colors in this cube because it's pretty triangular, and yep. And I know how to solve this, and the tips we can also move. And we can also put like huge moves, something like that. And you can also do, and that's all I have to say about the Pyraminx. It's a nice cube.
We have the 2x2x3.
This cube looks like a rectangle. Like, wow. It's pretty strange. And it's kind of cool actually. So we have the checkerboard in this. So we can just do this, and we have the L, and then the L down here. So we can just do this, 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 and that. We have the both sides solved. So solving these both sides is pretty easy, but these you need to know like algorithms, and this is how the cube looks. Next we have
the Ivy cube.
I know how to solve this cube, and there's only like one turn you can do on this cube. This turn and this turn. It's the same turn except on both sides. This and this. It's called the ivy cube because there's an ivy leaf in the middle of the cube. And if we go, the middle will actually go with us. So, the cube is solved.
Next is the square one cube.
The square one could be the hardest one in our collection. It's pretty difficult to me as it looks like a 3x3, but the top and the bottom are kind of mixed up, and they're the same. Then on the sides we have like different shapes that are cut or something. So like this thing can do some strange moves. Like, let me find one right now. Something like maybe this. No,
not that one.
As we can try. No, maybe if we try this. No, that won't work. Okay. No. If I just... There we go. So as you can see, we have this in the middle, the green and orange, right? So if we bring this up, this would become like that. So like from this to that. Isn't that crazy, guys? This cube is called the square one. Next up, we have
the mirror cube.
The mirror cube. The mirror cube has no colors at all. It's a mirror. You can see yourself in it. And this cube looks pretty shape-shifted, like the square one when it's scrambled sometimes. And we should have a good look before we actually scramble this, because we have shapes at different heights instead of different colors. So this is how it looks when it's scrambled. Really shape-shifted. Next we have
Where is it? Oh, there it is. My favorite cube. It's the Megaminx. It has pink, my favorite color, light pink, and even green, lime green. It's my favorite.
the Megaminx, largest cube in our collection. 12 colors, and our plus is not a plus anymore. Our plus is now a star. Ding, 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 star. And the Megaminx could feel a bit heavy. It's a bit heavier compared to the 3x3 any cube, but this is kind of the heaviest cube I've ever held in my life. So our least and final cube is the rarest of them all, and it's the cube you have never seen.
Drum, drum, drum. The hand crank cube. That's why it's called the hand crank cube, because
as when you turn it, you will get hurt on your hand, as it's the rarest cube on the earth. and the rarest cube on earth sometimes loses its stickers, like right now. It does not have some stickers and some stickers are out. And this could be the rarest cube in the world that no one has seen. So that's why we're calling it hand cramp cube, because there's no type of cube called hand cramp. And every time you turn this cube, when you turn it way too hard, you'll get hurt like me right now. I just did. I got a scratch. This is the rarest cube in the world. What? Why are you saying it like this? We need to say it like, thanks for watching our video, guys. See you soon. Bye. And we'll collect more and more and more and more cubes. We don't know how many cubes we'll collect. It's gonna be a ton. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon. Bye.